In this video, I'll show you how to install a SIM card inside of your Samsung Galaxy A14. Could be the 4G or the 5G option. So let's get started. On your phone, on the left side over here on the top, you'll find the SIM card tray. To open this tray, you should get the SIM ejecting tool that was in the box that came with your phone. If you don't have it, just take a needle or a paper clip. They both do the same exact thing. So you're going to stick it in the small hole here, like this, and you're going to push it. This way, the tray will pop out. You may get a message on the screen. Your phone doesn't even need to be on when you're doing this. So I'll close mine. Then with your finger, just pull the tray out. If you want to install a memory card, it will go on the slot that is on the left side, but the SIM card goes on the right side. So take your SIM card, should look like this one, and how to insert it? Well, it's very easy. So this is the tray, the same way we pulled it out, exact same direction. Take your SIM card and you see the SIM card has one of the corner that is cutted. You see here, it goes like this. Well, you need to align it with this corner over here that is also cutted. Place it with the chip facing down like this. And it should align perfectly in this tray. You see, it should stay flat. Once you're done, take your phone, take the tray, and simply glide it right inside. If the SIM card, like in my case here, moved around and is out of its slot, it won't fit. So you have to start again. Take it out, make sure it's there, and then glide it inside, like this. Make sure it's flush. You can pass your finger like this, and you're done. You have now inserted the SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy A14. I hope this tutorial was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.